mango curry recipe. First, switch on the flame. In a kadai, take 2 spoons of oil. In it, add half a spoon of mustard seeds. After they start to splatter, add hing or asafoetida of this size. Add 6 green chilies. Split them. Take pulp of 4 mangoes with the seeds. Now add them in the kadhai. Add some water also. Take half spoon of salt and jaggery of lemon size. Take 1 spoon of freshly grated coconut and mix well. After this gets a boil, you can switch off the flame. Delicious mango curry is ready to serve. Enjoy it hot as a side dish.